Tayo nyo bali manood ng TV tong isang to. Sports minded. Mahulog na. Mahulog na. Mahulog na.
In the top 12 at the moment, they're really looking to advance by means of an automatic qualification. The defending Olympic champion. This is her third throw. Well, that's there or thereabouts, but not automatically. She has thrown a long way this year. Maybe she's sporting some type of injury or carrying an injury because very careful approach here. Extremely fast arm. Looks like she's going down to the middle of the sphere rather than through the point.
Table pa.
See it's oscillating in
Bali
the air.
kung kaliliit.
And mixed power generated, so 60-41 consistent, but not good enough for an automatic qualifier. She's in 6 with one group.
Chloe! Chloe! Dito ka dito. Dito.
This special TV coverage is presented to you
Dito ka lang.
Smart, where healthy sports. Caltex, with the unbeatable cleaning power of Tecron.
Sleep na dyan, sleep.
No dandruff. With Samsung Imagination
Sleep dyan, sleep. Ito si Taba. Sleep na rin yan dyan. Sleep! Sleep na rin yan dyan.
The number 1 run, Philippine Star. The only newspaper you read from cover to cover. And in part by Boysen.
Tulog na.
Home antibacterial aid.
Sleep na, sleep na.